Every year, Apple release the latest iteration in their Pro Max line. These phones show off the very best Apple have to offer. They are a culmination of years' worth of work and a dedication to creating the best smartphones possible. I have always been fortunate to unbox these devices on release day, but this year we're unboxing more than one. Here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The 15 Pro Max is a device you really need to hold to appreciate. The new titanium frame gives it a sense of luxury and elegance in a similar way stainless steel did on the iPhone 14 Pro, but this time it's been done in a way that limits fingerprints and reduces the weight of this phone significantly. I have been fortunate enough to get my hands on 3 colours this year: blue, black and natural. As you can see, the unboxing experience is classic Apple. Not much has changed here other than the included braided cable. Unfortunately, this cable is not color coordinated, dependent on the device, which is what we had been anticipating, but regardless of this, it's still nice to see something a little more premium in the box. Let's start off talking about natural titanium, the color everyone is talking about. I have to say, the hands-on videos were pretty accurate. This device in person is absolutely gorgeous. The mix of grey and gold and bronze, it's hard to put your finger on an exact colour because of the way the device plays with the light, but it really is a fresh looking colour. It feels premium and sleek, and the new titanium frame gives it a timeless and sophisticated look. The curved edges and lighter design really does make a huge difference when you're holding this device in the hand. It's surprising how different it feels. Let's talk titanium blue. This is Apple's next new colour this year, and it's a shade that gives off a cool, fresh vibe and is definitely one of my personal favourites. Blue is actually the device I ordered for myself this year, and I think I will be sticking with it. The colour looks extremely blue in some lighting conditions, but more often than not it looks almost like a dark grey, almost black with a hint of blue. The black iPhone 15 Pro Max looks incredibly sleek and modern. The all matte look is absolutely stunning, and it exudes a sense of elegance and class. For those of you who are a fan of the matte black look, this is the best black iPhone Apple have ever made. My first impressions of this device are certainly positive, however there are a few things that I'm not entirely happy about. One of them being the fact the titanium frame still actually attracts fingerprints. Not to the same level as stainless steel, but still, I was hoping for no fingerprints, and that isn't the case at all, unfortunately. The bezels on this device are also another area where I thought I would see a noticeable difference, but you almost have to look super close even when these devices are side by side, and even then they're only slightly thinner than last year's Pros. So whilst these devices are extremely premium and the lighter design is so much better, I think if you're using a 14 Pro, then from a design standpoint you're definitely not missing out on too much. The introduction of the action button means we have something that finally replaces the mute switch, which has been on the iPhone from day one. You can map this button to literally anything, and this is a big thing for me because at the event I was worried Apple were only going to allow us to map this to a handful of things, which would have really limited what you can do with it. I'm seeing people map this to open their garage doors, turn on lights, open applications and so much more. I think from that standpoint it really is a cool addition to the iPhone. Mine is currently mapped to open X, so we'll see how long that lasts, but I do think this is something a lot of people are going to enjoy customizing. Another welcome change to this year's iPhone is USB-C. I genuinely didn't think that this would happen. I feel like the Apple way would have been to stick with Lightning until they remove the port altogether, but here we are. I am happy that I am no longer having to carry around multiple cables, and I can now charge my Mac with the same cable that charges my iPhone. These new iPhones can also charge other devices like AirPods using a cable. I'm not sure how often I'll use this, but it's nice to know it's an option should I ever need it. The introduction of the Apple A17 Pro chip in the latest iPhones is a groundbreaking leap in mobile technology. The chip's immense power is set to revolutionize the smartphone experience, enabling users to accomplish tasks with unprecedented speed and efficiency. From lightning-fast app launches to seamless multitasking, the A17 Pro promises to elevate daily smartphone use to new heights. What's even more exciting is its gaming potential, as it provides the raw horsepower needed for console quality gaming experiences right on your phone. With the A17 Pro, mobile gaming enthusiasts can look forward to immersive gameplay, stunning graphics, and smooth performance that rivals traditional gaming setups. This chip isn't just cool, it's a game changer in the world of smartphones. I feel like Apple were already ahead when it comes to their in-house silicon, and yet it looks like they've still managed to take things to a whole new level. The camera is going to be extremely interesting to test this year on the 15 Pro Max. Apple have saved their best camera system for the Pro Max line this year, so if you're interested in seeing just how well this performs, then definitely subscribe for the full review coming soon. For the 15 Pro Max, Apple designed a 5x telephoto camera with the longest optical zoom inside any iPhone, now allowing you to take sharper close-ups from even further away. This, coupled with the 48 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, should be one of the best systems in a smartphone, but we will have to wait and see. So, there you have it. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a flagship smartphone that combines cutting-edge features for an unparalleled user experience. Its new titanium build not only exudes premium craftsmanship, but also improves the overall feel in the hand. The addition of the action button adds convenience and customization to iOS 17, and the switch to USB-C brings faster data transfer speeds and universal compatibility. Powered by the A17 Pro chip, it offers unrivaled performance, making multitasking and gaming exceptionally smooth. The upgraded camera system promises to elevate photography to new heights by delivering stunning images and videos. So with its innovative design, powerful performance and advanced camera capabilities, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is poised to be one of the top smartphones on the market. Like I said earlier, hit subscribe and stay tuned for lots more content on this device coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.